Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete watch history on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete watch history on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon where it says, or your profile picture icon where it says you, where I'm tapping. Tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll land on this interface. Now you'll be required to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and you can see over here where it says the manage all history. We'll be required to tap on the manage all history button or section, you can say, and let's let it load. Now you can see, if you scroll down, your search history as well as your watch history, all of the videos which you watched on YouTube will be here. Now in order to delete your watch history on YouTube, you can see the delete icon at the top right corner or this button over here. Tap on the delete icon and you will be able to tap on either delete today or select delete custom range or delete all time. If you want to delete all the watch history or the videos which you had watched on YouTube, delete all time. If you want to delete just today, tap on delete today. If you want to choose a range of time, tap on delete custom range and go through your timing, and after that tap on next and it will be deleted. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to delete watch history on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.